Hellcat.
Hi guys, this is Akash. In today's video, we'll discuss about how to overcome fear. This fear will eventually lead to depression, and after depression what all happens you know. I'll not talk about that. I'll talk about how to overcome fear. So watch this video till end to get your answer. See, in India, most of the students in the age group of 17 to 20 are depressed. They have to give exam called JEE Advanced to get into IITs, and they think that as the ultimate goal. They think that they have got only that thing. If they fail in that exam, then they are finished. They don't have any other opportunity, or they don't have any other alternate. They think like that, and they go to depression if they fail. Let me tell you one thing. There are thousands of things apart from this thing. Yeah, this is called success, but this is not the only thing. You need to know the reality. There are thousands of things which are better than this thing as well. There are some things which are better than this thing also, but you need to dig that. You need to go to internet and search. If you see, there will be hundreds of examples who were not from those colleges, but they have done really good in their life. They have achieved a lot better than these people. So you need to search for things which can make you happier. You need to search for your passion. If you are going to other colleges than these colleges, then also you can make your life beautiful. You can become successful. Just you need to work more than these people. That's it. Can't you do that thing? I think that's possible. You can work. And if you love your work, mark my words, that work will not be considered a work for you. So it's important to search for the work which you love. You need to know what you're good at, what you can do. Some great person has told that we should strive for excellence. Then success will automatically come. That should be your prime motive. You should strive for excellence. You should not think about just one exam and you should sit idle that I am a failure, I can't do anything. Some people demotivate themselves. They think they are not good enough. They'll be best, but they think they are not good enough. They think that I have not cleared IIT. What can I do in life? But that's just one piece of exam. That don't decide your future. You yourself decide your future. See, our subconscious mind is very strong. We humans can achieve whatever we want. But the thing is, we don't think about those things. We think very small and we achieve that. That's our problem. We need to think big in order to become successful. See, if your goal is X, multiply it with 10, then it will be 10x. So you need to work for that 10x. Ultimately, you will get 5x or 6x. But that's better than X. And you will not have fear because you will get something out of that. But your goal is X. Then you need to have fear. Because you will have fear that what will happen if I not achieve this? That will lead to fear. So to avoid that thing, aim big. You can achieve that thing as well. But if you couldn't achieve that, you will end up achieving something. Isn't it great? So you need to think that way. You need to change your thinking. And other fear is that, many students face this thing. They think about society and people. They think that if I don't achieve this thing, what will people think? What will society think? You need to ignore this thing. For example, you have not cracked JEE Advanced, and people will come to you and say, oh no, you must have cracked it, your life would be settled. You take that thing, you prove them wrong. You tell them that I may not be successful now, but one day I'll be successful without going to that college. That should be your mindset. That will eventually change you from others. This is the reality of life, friends. You need to understand this thing. You can do wonders. You need not to go to IIT or NIT to do wonders. You can do wonders from wherever you are. The thing is, you need to start. You need to think about your present. The most important thing is to get started. You need to fix one thing and you need to get started. If you have watched this video, get started from now. You can achieve the things very easily. So, I hope you will change your thinking skills. You will change your mentality and you can do wonders, and I hope you will be motivated after seeing this video and go ahead and start from now. You will become successful. Thank you guys.